Pollination. Yeah, that. Anyway.
Them boy from New York. Yo, them beyond fully Dunce to blow out. Them get catch in a Florida, Panama City. And yo, the police take them down. The 6 of them come from Almantown. Me don't know who teach them boy for hustle. Me I talk about them and analyze them. Remember, when you come to Jamaica first, country first, me I go break it down, me I go analyze it. And you can get a different perspective. You know, me not go just read back the news. But them boy, me don't know who teach them for hustle to blow out. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now you have them youth here. Them come from Jamaica, and them each up in a Florida, and them say them a hustle, and I do whatever. And somebody line them up real good. It's like them not really know how foreign work, you know, them think of Jamaica this. But yo, the first mistake they make is this. They make that youth here come round them. I don't know if him a lead the crew, but him shoot up a restaurant in a Brooklyn. Plus him with dep on gun charge and them thing there. And him shooting at the restaurant. Him and somebody have an argument. Somebody get shot and end up dead. And then what him do, him blow over Florida. And this is the first mistake they make. Cause the boy him a waste man. I don't know, them just come America and them things say some man us and them things say them place easy. America no an easy place. But this was the first mistake them do. Make the hot mania come push part them there. Let's go. The boy Anelka Green, a one dangerous boy, cause him charged with other thing and a peer problem him a create. Cause the man them get a break and come America and a peer problem them a create. It don't make no sense. You can't make money with violence, especially in America, Canada and them place there. You have to know how to do it. You're not the first man coming at them place there. Now, another thing with them do, them are also out of where them a lay them head. You can't tell. How me know that? The police get a link on them and them contact the Panama City Sheriff and couple other agency, and to how quick the police them was able to get a search warrant was the fact that the movement in and out of the house. Because if you get a search warrant, let me explain how the search warrant thing work. First, them have to get a good lead from an informer, most likely, not all the time but 80%. Then what them do, them stake out the place. Them get all your garbage and go through your garbage. And if you smoke weed or whatever and them see the spliff tail or whatnot, them take it and them test it. And once them test it and confirm, say yo, or drugs or whatever, or if them get the picture they wanted man, then them take it to the judge and get the search warrant. So the fact that they were able to get all that information. Cause remember, the report said that at the 9th of November, you know. So from the 9th of November, them call Panama City, boom, and them get Panama City go on the case and can able to get all that information quickly. Them talk to probably the neighbors them too and get the search warrant. So, yo, the movements out of the apartment there. Yo, the man them more than fully done, yo. Yo, let's go. Now, the move where they make, and at the last move this me I talk about where them fully dunce. Me I say more than fully dunce. Alman Town boy, yeah. Yo, them have 6 of them pack up in the same condominium apartment. Probably have gyal come in and out, all sort of movements. You understand? That's why him get catch. Now, the youth where did want it, we bring the heat on the rest of them. Somebody line him up and give the police a good lead on him. Cause like me say, in the news media report, them say from November 9th, them get a lead on him and New York contact US Marshal contact Florida, Panama City police them and them work on them. So them youth here, them thinks a foreign is a bed of roses. It's not a bed of roses. And when them come in a foreign country and them get them break, before them take them time and navigate and do the right thing. With them do, them swear say them a big timer and them know what them a do. Yo, none of them no pass 30 years old yet and run come in a foreign and think say yo, them can cover them certain man country and come do anything what them want do. No, it don't work like that. So, this is my take upon the Alman Town more than fully done screw. We get him up in a Florida, in a Panama City. I hope them learn from this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And like me say, you know me I go break it down and give my analysis and a different perspective. Peace, I'm out.